LinkedIn marketing ** is one of the most effective forms of digital marketing for professionals and businesses. Unlike many social media platforms that focus mainly on entertainment, LinkedIn is designed for professional networking, career development, business growth, and industry communication. Companies of all sizes use LinkedIn to build brand awareness, generate business leads, recruit talent, and establish credibility within their industries. LinkedIn marketing refers to the process of promoting a business, product, service, or professional expertise using LinkedIn's platform and tools. The goal is not only to increase visibility but also to build meaningful relationships with professionals, decision makers, clients, and business partners. One of the first steps in LinkedIn marketing is creating a professional profile or company page. A complete profile includes a professional photo, a clear headline, an informative summary, work experience, skills, certifications, and contact information. Businesses should also create a well-designed company page that clearly explains their products, services, mission, and industry expertise. Content plays a major role in LinkedIn marketing. Organizations and professionals regularly publish educational articles, industry updates, business insights, case studies, company news, and professional achievements. High-quality content helps demonstrate expertise, attract followers, and encourage meaningful engagement from the target audience. Consistency is essential for long-term success. Posting valuable content on a regular schedule helps increase visibility and keeps the audience engaged. Businesses often share market trends, practical tips, research findings, customer success stories, employee achievements, and educational resources that provide value to readers. LinkedIn also offers excellent opportunities for *B2B, business-to-business, marketing *. Many decision makers, executives, business owners, recruiters, and professionals actively use the platform to connect with potential partners and service providers. This makes LinkedIn especially valuable for companies that sell products or services to other businesses. Building a strong professional network is another important aspect of LinkedIn marketing. Connecting with colleagues, clients, industry experts, and business leaders expands professional relationships and increases opportunities for collaboration. However, successful networking focuses on genuine professional interaction rather than sending large numbers of unrelated connection requests. LinkedIn groups provide another way to participate in industry discussions. Joining relevant professional groups allows members to exchange ideas, discuss industry developments, ask questions, and share useful knowledge. Active participation can help increase visibility while building professional credibility. Businesses can also use *LinkedIn ads * to reach specific professional audiences. Advertising options may allow campaigns to target users based on factors such as industry, job title, company size, skills, education, or geographic location. Clear objectives and audience research help improve advertising effectiveness. Analytics are an important part of LinkedIn marketing. Businesses monitor metrics such as profile views, post engagement, follower growth, impressions, click-through rates, and audience demographics. Analyzing this information helps marketers understand which content performs well and where improvements can be made. Successful LinkedIn marketing depends on trust and professionalism. Instead of making unrealistic promises or using misleading information, businesses should focus on providing accurate, helpful, and valuable content that addresses the needs of their audience. Building credibility often leads to stronger professional relationships over time. LinkedIn continues to be one of the world's leading platforms for professional communication, business networking, and career development. Individuals and organizations that consistently share valuable knowledge and engage professionally are more likely to strengthen their reputation and expand their business opportunities. In Part 2 we will discuss LinkedIn lead generation, personal branding, content strategy, LinkedIn advertising, common marketing mistakes, analytics, and best practices for long-term success. Educational disclaimer. This video is intended for educational purposes only and provides general information about LinkedIn marketing. Marketing strategies and platform features may change over time. Always follow LinkedIn's official policies and applicable advertising guidelines when using
LinkedIn is more than a professional networking platform. It is also a powerful tool for lead generation, personal branding, and business growth. Whether you are a freelancer, entrepreneur, recruiter, consultant, or company owner, a well-planned LinkedIn marketing strategy can help you build professional relationships and create long-term business opportunities. One of the primary goals of LinkedIn marketing is lead generation. A lead is a person or organization that has shown interest in your product or service. Instead of sending mass promotional messages, successful marketers focus on building trust by sharing valuable content, participating in professional discussions, and creating meaningful connections. Relationship building often produces better long-term results than aggressive sales tactics. Personal branding is another important part of LinkedIn success. Your profile represents your professional identity. A clear profile photo, an informative headline, a well-written summary, accurate work experience, and relevant skills help visitors understand your expertise. Regularly sharing useful knowledge and industry insights can strengthen your professional reputation over time. A successful content strategy focuses on providing value to the audience. Educational posts, industry news, practical business tips, case studies, market trends, career advice, and professional achievements often perform well because they help readers learn something useful. High-quality content is generally more effective than frequent promotional posts. Consistency is one of the most important factors in LinkedIn marketing. Posting on a regular schedule helps maintain audience engagement and increases profile visibility. Businesses should prioritize informative, accurate, and relevant content rather than publishing large amounts of repetitive material. Engaging with other professionals also contributes to growth. Thoughtful comments, meaningful discussions, and constructive feedback help expand professional networks while increasing visibility. Genuine engagement demonstrates expertise and encourages long-term professional relationships. Businesses can further expand their reach through LinkedIn advertising. Advertising campaigns may support goals such as brand awareness, website traffic, lead generation, event promotion, or recruitment. Before launching advertisements, marketers should clearly define their objectives, target audience, budget, and performance indicators. Measuring results is essential for continuous improvement. LinkedIn provides analytics that help businesses evaluate content performance, audience engagement, profile visits, follower growth, and campaign effectiveness. Reviewing these metrics regularly helps identify successful strategies and areas that may require adjustment. Several common mistakes can reduce marketing effectiveness. Incomplete profiles, inconsistent posting, excessive self-promotion, misleading claims, and low-quality content may reduce audience trust. Professional communication, accurate information, and authentic interactions are generally more effective for building long-term credibility. LinkedIn marketing also requires patience. Professional relationships and business opportunities usually develop gradually rather than immediately. Organizations that consistently provide valuable information and maintain professional standards are more likely to establish lasting credibility within their industries. As digital marketing continues to evolve, LinkedIn remains an important platform for professionals worldwide. Companies use it to strengthen their brands, attract qualified talent, connect with decision-makers, and build valuable business partnerships. Individuals use it to expand professional networks, develop careers, and demonstrate expertise in their chosen fields. Successful LinkedIn marketing is based on knowledge, consistency, trust, and meaningful communication. By focusing on education, value, and professional relationships instead of short-term promotion, businesses and professionals can create sustainable long-term growth. Thank you for watching this educational series on LinkedIn marketing. We explored how LinkedIn works, profile optimization, content strategy, lead generation, personal branding, advertising, analytics, and professional networking. We hope this information helps you use LinkedIn more effectively for career development and business success. Educational disclaimer. This video is intended for educational purposes only and provides general information about LinkedIn marketing. Platform features, algorithms, advertising options, and policies may change over time. Always follow LinkedIn's official guidelines and applicable laws when